Hi everyone, and welcome back to another easy tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to circle crop your videos using the CapCut app. If you need to circle crop your video for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other platform, you're in the right place. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. The first thing we need to do is download a green image from Google. So, open your web browser, go to google.com and search for green screen. We're using this green screen trick because CapCut doesn't support transparent video backgrounds, but don't worry, this will work perfectly. Once you find a green screen image, download it to your device. Now, open the CapCut app and start a new project. The first thing you'll import is the green screen photo you just downloaded. Adjust the length of this image to match your video's duration. For example, if your video is 15 seconds long, make the green screen photo 15 seconds as well. After setting the length, let's move on to the next step. Find the overlay button and click on it, then tap Add Overlay. This will open your photo gallery, where you'll select the video you want to circle crop. Once your video is added, zoom in a little to make it fit the frame, ensuring both the green screen and the video are the same length. For instance, I have an airplane video here, and I want to create a circle crop around the airplane. I just select my video, scroll down, and find the mask option. Click on it and then select the circle shape. Now, you can adjust the circle's size and position by dragging the arrows. If your object moves and you need the circle to follow it, go to the start of your video, click the keyframe button, and adjust your circle. Move the video slightly, click on the mask again, and reposition the circle as needed. CapCut will automatically add keyframes for you, making the circle move with your object. Repeat these steps for the entire video, adding keyframes whenever needed. Once you're happy with the circle crop, save your video to your photo gallery. If you want to remove the green screen background later, I have a separate tutorial on that, and I'll link it in the description below. And that's how you circle crop videos in CapCut. If this video helped you, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.